It is time now for better food, and our friend and very talented chef Grace Vallo is joining us today.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, how are you? She's showing us how to make one of her favorite salads. It's delicious and it's flavorful and it's fall and it's wonderful. Nice to see you.
Oh yes, so nice to see you too.
How are you?
Good. I'm doing great.
So this is going to be a butternut squash salad, but you are making your own croutons.
Yes.
Do not buy them in the bag. I have to say, I sampled a couple before we came on. There is a definite difference in the homemade croutons.
Oh yeah,
They're perfect.
I feel like you know, the ones that you get in the store, they're so like hard and
they're hard and
overly salty almost too.
Okay.
So
how do we do that?
So here we go. So the first step is just some oatmeal bread that I took the crust off of.
Oatmeal.
And just diced it into little cubes.
Like the kind in the store, so you can just
the kind in the store.
Any oatmeal bread?
Yeah.
You like?
Yep. So I use Pepperidge Farm just because I think the soft oatmeal bread,
You know, and they remember.
makes it the easiest.
Pepperidge Farm remembers.
So, and I just took some garlic cloves and smashed them along with some olive oil.
So don't dice them, just smash them, because you just want it to be hinted in there, not stuck to the bread, I guess.
And if you want to actually smash that one, just go give it a big whack.
Yeah.
There we go.
Stick
and you can
that
just bring
in
it right in there.
All right.
And you've got olive oil in there as well, girl?
Yep, olive oil is already in there. We're just going to let it go while we're working on other things. But
okay.
So you just kind of stir them. You can kind of smash them down just to absorb the olive oil. And the pan's going to get really hot and kind of toast each side.
And you want it to stay more on medium, you said, otherwise it can get kind of too smoky.
Like smoky.
Okay.
All right.
So you want to keep your vent on over your stove. So then we have some butternut squash that's cubed.
Okay.
I buy it pre-cubed in the store.
Yep, already
And
done
you
for
just-
you. That's perfect.
Yep, and you just roast it in the oven at 375 for about an hour.
Okay.
And I can have you actually be the
Did you
official
just put it with
tosser.
olive oil, salt, and pepper, or how did you roast it?
Yep, just olive oil and actually just do salt.
Okay.
But you can do pepper if you like.
You got some beautiful Boston bib lettuce here.
Yes, I couldn't find frisee in the store,
That's
but
okay.
frisee also works.
Okay.
And then I have some applewood smoked bacon here, which is fabulous.
And I was asking because this is so good. It really has a great flavor. Can you tell us the brand that you like to buy?
Yeah, so I like Nyman Ranch. N-Y-M-A-N.
Okay.
It's nitrate free and it has a really good smoky taste.
Okay.
It's great for even in the morning for breakfast too, if you like bacon with your eggs.
Okay.
And then I have there some asparagus that I blanched.
So you just cut it into pieces, threw it in some boiling water for just a couple of minutes.
For a couple of minutes, like 2 or 3.
Yep.
And then you put it in ice water to stop the cooking process.
Okay.
And then it's just, you leave it cold and you add it into the salad cold.
Okay.
I'll let you go ahead and
So
do
you
that.
do editing there cold?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we have some
Beautiful.
nice crunch in there too. Our croutons are coming along. Mm-hmm. And then we have some dressing over here.
Did you make it yourself?
I made it myself. So we have some sherry wine vinegar.
Okay.
Which has a nice bite to it. You can also use apple cider vinegar if you prefer.
Okay. So olive oil and sherry wine?
Sherry wine vinegar.
Sherry wine vinegar, okay.
Sherry vinegar. I was waiting for you to do that,
Thank you, I
actually.
appreciate that.
Now what's in there?
And some garlic too, some minced garlic.
Okay.
So I just took a clove of garlic and minced it.
That's it?
A few tablespoons of sherry wine vinegar, maybe 1 or 2, and then some extra virgin olive oil, and then just go ahead and whisk it.
So just 3 ingredients, the sherry wine vinegar, olive oil, and garlic, that's it?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
And add some
That's
salt
nice and
and pepper.
simple. Add salt and pepper, okay.
There you go.
And then
That's your
these
dressing.
are the finished products right here.
Yes, those are the finished croutons, and I like to put those on the top of the salad, actually.
You wait till it's served and then put it on top?
Yep.
So should I serve it up?
We gotta put the dressing
dressing on?
first. Put the whole bowl in here?
You can go for it.
Okay.
Let's give it a good,
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
And then you just
and
mix
then
this
you
all
can
in.
mix it
I wish
in.
you could smell the garlic coming up, Scott.
Tara,
garlic
I don't know what
is-
you're going to eat for lunch because this whole thing is for me.
And now, we have an egg on the stove because you say you sometimes like to throw an egg on there.
Yes.
You could do chicken, but an egg works.
If you want some extra protein on it, I really like adding an egg over chicken just because it's something different.
Okay.
And if you like that yolk too, you can kind of make
I
it
love it.
ooze over the salad too.
All right, there's a finished product. Grace has her website where she shares her recipes. Head to tastefullygrace.com.
All right,
Thanks,
and when we come
Grace.
back, thank you.